we had not gone to the cloud-based system, then we would have had to replace our servers at this point. And I had quotes to do that for tens of thousands of dollars. And so we've been able to save that cost. When you have to manage the data locally, you have to have backups that are constantly going on, and you have to worry that if your server is compromised, you're going to have somebody come in and rebuild it or replace it, particularly if it dies or if it goes down. When we were running it locally, we had to maintain our servers using an outside IT service. We still have that outside IT service, but now we only use our servers for file storage, and we're not as worried about having something go down or having our server corrupted. I think that the phrase is, it's not if you're going to get hacked, it's when you get hacked. All of us have had our personal computers hacked. We've had our cell phones hacked. And so for us to have a server attacked and be held hostage for money, that would be very troublesome. That's a big worry for a business like ours, because if we don't have access to our ERP system, then it stops the flow of work through the shop. And it's very difficult for us to maintain operation.